Sometimes we'll go to Walmart when we're craving desserts and we'll go look for like a discounted,
guilty,
must be sold by today cake at a discounted rate. This honestly tastes exactly like
I
a
didn't want
Walmart
to say
discounted
it, but
cakes.
it really does.
Welcome back to Casiano Travels.
Home of the family that lives by car and plane.
I'm MJ.
And I'm Christine.
And I'm Casey.
Today I am so excited because we are doing about the prettiest Goldbelly review I think we could possibly find, which is Carlo's Bakery. He is very well known as the cake boss. So today we got two different types of cakes. MJ, do you want to let them know what cakes we got?
Yeah, so we have the vanilla rainbow cake, which is the famous cake that everyone's always putting on Instagram, trying to get those likes, trying to get the followers. So we got that right here. And then we also have the chocolate fudge cake. So they were running a buy one get one promotion and we took full advantage.
It's currently still going on, by the way. So if anyone is interested, at least at the time of this filming, they are still doing the buy one get one.
And it's really not that bad price for two. It was about $69 for one cake, and then you got the other for free. So when you think about it like that, you know, you can't get a better cake for 35 bucks at Walmart by any means. So just a little bit about Carlo's. So it was started in 1910 in Hoboken, New Jersey, which is just a little bit outside of New York City. It was founded by a guy named Carlo who ended up selling it about 54 years later to the famous cake boss, AKA Buddy, his dad. So his dad ran it and he was kind of the understudy, and then suddenly his dad passed away when Buddy was about 17. So he unexpectedly took it over and he ran with it. And then in 2009, TLC ended up offering him a show, The Cake Boss, and it's been arguably the most famous bakery in America since.
I am so pumped to try this. This has literally been, I remember like seeing this when they first came on TLC and wanting so badly to try this. He's already digging in. He was like, I can't wait. I think it was like around high school period whenever I started seeing Cake Boss on TLC. And I remember from the first time that I saw them and their amazing cakes, I so badly wanted to go to his bakery. And so this is an amazing way to do this, especially during the middle of a pandemic when no one's really traveling still. So I'm super excited today. I literally cannot wait to dig in.
Same. Usually there's cooking instructions. Obviously there was none this time. You take it out of the box and it's ready to go. I think you got to defrost it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Nothing crazy. Can't mess those directions up. They said it goes bad in about 2 to 3 days. So looks like we're putting on those New Year's LBs after all.
Well then.
Let's dig in.
Let's do it.
Cash got the vanilla rainbow cake and I don't think he's even taken a bite. I think he's just been swallowing it whole like a pelican down his throat. So
he's been taking, I think, like every color and eating like a little bite of every color, which is really cute.
All right, so to start, I have the vanilla rainbow cake and Christina has the chocolate fudge. I think we're gonna probably swap off and just try both.
Yeah.
Cash has the famous vanilla rainbow cake, and again, he's really enjoying it. So
I can't wait. Let's dig in.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Cheers. Okay, so we're both going in on this one first.
Yeah. I want to try the same one at the same time. Oh my gosh, you were being a mess.
Because I had your monstrous hand in the way. That's pretty good. Is it great though?
I was expecting better.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's really good.
It is really good.
Like, I don't know, like might get this at the local bakery for about 15 bucks.
We have like a local German bakery that I always have all of our cakes made out at. And so far, that place beats this so far. But it is rainbow cake, which isn't typically my favorite. I know it's super Instagrammable and really pretty, but
oh, that's great. But
it's definitely not my favorite when it comes to cakes. However, chocolate is a whole different story, and this is looking hella good.
This girl likes her chocolate, that's for sure.
You know what they say.
I'll be sleeping on the couch tonight. That's funny, right, Cassie? All right, let's try a little bit of this chocolate.
It's pretty basic.
It's not that special.
Am I missing something here?
I'm gonna go out on a limb and I'm gonna say, Buddy, the cake boss, did not make this. This is probably one of his, hundreds of employees.
Yeah, this is pretty basic.
Not gonna lie, pretty disappointed.
Yeah.
Not sure I would. I would spend $69 for two again, which is their special. Certainly,
They
I would
almost
never
taste
spend
the same.
$69 for
Am I
one.
crazy? They almost taste the same.
They really do.
Like, I didn't really taste a difference between the two.
Yeah, I really don't either. Honestly, it's kind of dry too.
A little bit.
It's kind of dry.
I don't know if that's because of the shipping. Obviously, that plays probably a little bit of a part in it.
It was made yesterday.
It was?
It was shipped this morning, and it was like overnighted one day
I am
straight to our house. Nice.
Really shocked, guys. Okay, so I also know that their bakery is obviously very well known as well for their cannolis and for their lobster tails, and then they just kind of got famous for their cakes because of Cake Boss. So I know I would still go there in person if I had the chance.
Oh, I'd still try it out in person, but this is definitely not in the elite of Goldbelly.
I am so disappointed. Like,
at least we're gonna get Instagram likes.
I'm like honestly at a loss for words because I thought that this was gonna be like one of my
Even
favorites.
the icing. I just took a huge bite of the icing. It's not that
It's
great.
really basic.
All right, I don't mean this with disrespect, but sometimes we'll go to Walmart when we're craving desserts and we'll go look for like a discounted,
Guilty.
must be sold by today cake at a discounted rate. This honestly tastes exactly like
I
a
don't want
Walmart
to say it,
discounted
but
cakes.
it really does. It really does. This is about one of the most basic cakes I've ever eaten. If you put me in a blind taste test,
Yeah, I would have no idea.
No.
This was
honestly, I
Carlos.
would probably even pick the Walmart cake over this one. It's like really dry and really basic. I don't even know how else to put it.
Cake likes it. Cut. Cash likes it though, so that's good. He's usually pretty hit or miss on these.
Oh yeah, he's living life.
So you know what time it is? It's time for a rating. And usually what we do is we divide it into three things. We go by taste, we go by appeal, and then we go by how it tastes in comparison to real life. So obviously neither one of us have had this in real life, so we're gonna nix that third one. So we're gonna go off strictly visual appeal and taste. So I'll start. The visual appeal is amazing. Like right off the bat when I took this out,
I got giddy.
I wanted to kiss it. That's how pretty it was looking. Like this is the hot girl at the bar that you're sliding a drink to and trying to get their phone number. This thing is top notch. Taste wise, a little bit lower on the scale there. A couple pegs down, and by a couple I mean like 5. It's significant. If I was to give this a rating between, just kind of being fair between the looks and the taste, I think I'd have to go like a 5.1. It's low.
So I think he probably nailed it on the head. This is like the hot girl at the bar that you realize has zero personality.
That's spot on.
Man, this is so disappointing. Again, the appeal of it as far as how it looks is incredible. If you showed up at a party with one of these, like you would look baller.
You getting at least 10 high fives, minimum.
Yeah.
Maybe 11 or 12.
But yeah, you're not gonna be getting any high fives when people leave the party after they've tasted it.
So what do you give it?
I would probably say a 5.4. I expected to honestly give this a 10 out of 10. I was so pumped about this. I'm like so sad right now. I really am.
I am too. This has probably been the most devastating Goldbelly review to date.
Devastating.
Which is saying something because we've had a couple ones that snuck under the bus. Cassie,
Least favorite.
what do you rank this?
9. He just said 9, so I think it's a 9 out of 10, guys.
So first off, I want to thank our 600 subscribers that we have so far. You guys are awesome. A lot of you guys comment and interact with us, and we really appreciate that. So
Yeah.
I think this channel is starting to grow just a tiny little bit. It's fun. We're just doing this for memories and good times. So we appreciate you guys coming along on this ride. If there's any more Goldbellies that you want us to review, please put those in the comments. Thank you guys as always for watching. Be on the lookout for more videos coming soon, and stay safe out there.
See you next time.